Hey guys, good evening. Welcome to this webinar. So guys, if you are able to see my screen and also if you are able to see me, just type S in the chat box so that we can get started with this webinar. Yes. Thanks for the confirmation, guys. I know that in this session, we have some new people joining. At the same time, we have our existing students also joining this session. So both are there. So there are chances that more people also will join meanwhile. Let's not worry about that. Okay. So what is this webinar all about is something I'm going to cover. So guys, in this webinar, I'm going to talk about the first point is the freelancing program that we are starting. Okay. Till now, we have seen only the trainings from our end. Going ahead, a freelancing program is getting started. So if anyone is interested in this freelancing program, you guys have to reach out to these details. I'll explain what is a freelancing program and all those stuff I'll explain. Okay, I'll have an interaction with you guys, don't worry. You have to reach out to Javid here, okay? You have to reach out to Javid to enroll yourself into this freelancing program. So guys, QAFox in association with the company, that is this company, RedDuck company, RedDuck Technologies. I'll open their website here, RedDuck Technologies. I think that is RedDuck Technologies Private Limited. Yes, this is a website, guys. Hope you are able to see. Is everyone able to see the website of RedDuck? Guys, able to see this website? Yeah. Okay. Thanks for the confirmation. So this is a website of the RedDuck, guys. Okay. So QAFox is getting associated with RedDuck, which is actually registered and all. Okay. As part of this, we got an idea like why can't we provide internships? Okay, to the people. Why can't we provide internship program to the people apart from the training so that this internship program will solve a lot of problems, guys. Okay, this internship program will solve a lot of problems for a lot of people. As you know, the market nowadays, right? The market nowadays is not good at all. Okay, it's improving, but it may take time. Sometimes you are getting calls, sometimes you are not getting calls due to several reasons. Okay, we are getting calls, we are not getting calls. No matter what, we are learning the stuff and we are preparing ourselves for the future calls and all. So this internship program is like a parking area for everyone. Okay, it's a parking area for everyone, guys. Parking means what? You don't have to be idle. Okay, you guys don't have to be idle. So if you are jobless, you have lost your job. Okay, if you have lost your job, or you are a fresher and there is a gap coming up. Okay, you are not sure whether you'll get a job or not. So what is that? You see, all the companies, what they will do? Okay, they'll ask you, why do you have a gap here? Or they'll ask you like, if you're a fresher and after 1 year, if you didn't get any job, what happened that 1 year? Why it is wasted? All these reasons are there, right? All these reasons we have for the gaps getting created. So to solve that purpose, we have come up with a kind of program where some guidance will be given to you. At same time, all the process when you go through when you join a company, right? What is the process generally? Can anyone tell me what is the process when you join a company? What will happen when you get selected into a company? What is the first thing that will happen? You have attended the interviews and you have attended the interviews and you have qualified for the interviews. Yeah, they will do the background verification for experienced people. Okay. Yeah, what about other than that background verification? They ask for experience, how much experience you have. That's also correct. You people are already typing in the chat box. Everyone type in the chat box. Generally, what happens when you try to attend a interview and you get selected in the interview, then background verification will happen. In the interviews, they'll ask for experience. Okay, because you may apply for some roles where experience is required. Not always freshers can be taken into consideration, right? And yeah, they will provide you some training. That's okay. Yes, the important thing that Sachin has already typed in the chat box is this is what I was expecting. whatever Sachin has typed in the chat box, that is, they provide offer letters and salary structure. Okay, all this stuff, right? They provide offer letter and salary structure. We are also doing the same thing now. Okay, now we will select you into this particular company. We'll select you into this company and we'll provide training. Okay, some guidance will give you. Already our training batches are going on. In along with that, some more high level guidance will be given to you. Some high level tasks will be given to you. Like you will get a feel of working in a company. Okay, so our this company people will take care of, take care of the documentation part, everything. Okay, documentation part, your offer letters, what do you want. Okay, so all these things we would like to provide. And outside what is happening in the market is a lot of people are paying a lot of hectic amount of money outside to get this kind of letters and all, that too in not in a ethical way. Okay, they are not getting these things in ethical way. But what we are trying to replicate here is we have company now. Okay, we are going to provide you the internships. You are working under us as a interns. Okay, you're working under us as interns. I'll give you a lot of works. I'll be the main person who will be guiding you. Okay, through the internship process, you'll be working under me, and whatever tasks we'll be giving you, you'll be doing that for us. Okay, along with that, some guidance sessions will be there. Okay, some tasks will be given to you. All these things you have to work. Okay, whatever that you are seeing in the trainings is something different. The trainings also you are eligible to attend morning, evening, any point of time. Any trainings are there, you guys will be eligible. So here is the thing. Okay, apart from this, guys, tell me, guys, how much price do you think we are going to keep this program? Can anyone guess what will be the price of this internship program for the people who are in need, who are getting some gaps getting created, who are ideal, who lost their job because of that gaps are getting created, if they want to fill up their gaps? Do you think how much charges we are going to put for this internship? Can anyone give a guess? Okay, 1,000 I got, which is very less. Okay, then next, any other guesses? Reasonable guesses you give, guys. Don't give very less guesses. Okay, 3,000. Okay, I got somewhat increase in the number. 10,000. Someone is saying 25,000. 10K to 15K. Someone is saying 5,000. AB is saying 5,000. Padma is saying 10,000. 10,000. 2,000 is very less. I think so. It should be minimum 25,000, right? It should be minimum 25,000. Per my expectations in the market, outside when you see, that too in unethical way, you are paying 25,000 to 50,000 outside. But what we are trying to do here is, we are going to break that stereotype. Yeah, if you still need a gap to be filled up, earlier gaps we are not, unethical ways we are not going to go, guys. Earlier gaps we are not going to fill up. Upcoming gaps, you got some idle time, and if you want to fill that gap and at the same time you want to work as an intern here, you can do that. Okay, so it doesn't matter how many years of experience you have and all those stuff. Okay, it doesn't matter. But if you, because of some XYZ reasons, because of the current situation in the IT, if you have lost your job and you're not getting the job anywhere, and this particular gap is getting, you are unable to fill the gap, and all those stuff. Okay, then we are offering an ethical internship program. It's not, okay, it's going to be remote only. It's going to be remote, Sachin. And coming to the pricing, I was saying the pricing will be around, what is the pricing I was saying for this kind of internship program? What is the pricing I am saying? It will be around rupees 25K to 50K. Okay, this is what is the pricing, right? But this is not the correct pricing. Okay, this is not what we are not going to charge this one. We are not going to do this much. Then how much we are going to charge? It's as simple as rupees 5K per 3 months. Okay, so here is the thing. If you want to join this internship program, first you have to pay rupees 5K for our training program. Okay, lifetime access. Already, if existing students are there, you don't have to pay these, guys. If existing students are already there, already they have, if you have paid 5K for our training sessions, right? If you are attending my batches and all, you don't have to pay anything extra. Okay, For the training for the all the students who are already there, for training program, you don't have to pay anything. It is only for new members. Only for new members, they have to pay 5K for training program. And you know that rules and regulations of the training program, right? Any batches you can attend. It is very flexible. A lot of things will cover. It's an ongoing training. Okay, everything will be there. And remaining 5,000 per 3 months. Okay, for 3 months, minimum of 5,000 per 3 months you have to pay. And for example, after 3 months you don't want to continue in the internship, you can leave, no problem. If you want to extend for next 3 months, then again you have to pay 5,000 rupees. Okay, so this what is a plan, guys. So here total for new members it will be 5 plus 5, that is equal to 10K. Okay, for the old members, old students, it's only 5K, guys. Just have to pay extra 5,000 per 3 months. Okay, for every 3 months you have to pay 5,000, and you guys will be working under me, and I'll be guiding you on a daily basis. And we have a lot of tasks to be done, and a lot of things to learn, a lot of R&Ds to be done. We'll try to create a realistic environment where you will perform some testing and all those stuff, and we'll learn different technologies together. Okay, all these things will be there as part of the freelancing. Okay, apart from the training that I train you every day, as part of this freelancing, it's more of filling up your gaps. It's more of filling up your gaps with my guidance, along with my guidance. Anyone is eligible. It can be a fresher, it can be an experienced person who want to get some experience into software testing, and who are already working. I cannot if you're already working in some company, then I don't recommend this program for you. Only trainings you can attend. If you are new to this, and if you want to attend only trainings, you're already working in a company, then you can only go with this paying of 5,000 for training program if you are new. Okay, but if you also, along with the training, if you want to also add internship, okay, if you also want to add internship while the time you are getting trained, you also want to go with the internship program simultaneously. For every 3 months, 5,000 you have to provide. So the same thing in the training programs, whatever we have, that only will be covered to you. Okay, in the training program, whatever that is there, that will be covered to you. It will be like, for first 3 months, it will be the normal Selenium Java, and manual testing will be there for the first 3 months. Next 3 months we'll go for the APIs and other stuff. In the next 3 months, like that, we keep on going. It will you can extend yourself for 1 year also. But for every 3 months, you have to pay 5,000 rupees for that to happen. Okay, we'll cover every area. But for that to happen, for every 3 months, you guys have to pay 5,000 rupees, so that we will take care of your documentation. We'll release offer letters. Okay, everything will take care of. Okay, will not pay you any salary, but you guys have to pay us because we are conducting this internship program and we are giving you the work. Yes, it is only for testing, guys. It's only if you want to training plus internship means only software testing. Okay, only if you want internship, not for you don't want to get trained on software testing, but if you want to fill up your gaps in terms of development and all, we didn't have discussed yet, but you can reach out to Javid on that and get yourself registered there also. Maybe you can get your offer letters and all those stuff. You can work with us remotely. Okay, for developers also we'll try to do something. Okay, for developers also we can do something. We can give you the tasks. We can involve some external people if you are interested. While register yourself as a developer or tester. That's good. Okay, yes, you will get experience later. Whatever the company will give you, the same thing will happen here in an official way. In official way, guys, ethical official way, we are going to do this, where you will be working remotely. We'll give you the task. It's very flexible task. On the top of that, my guidance will be there. Okay, yes, it will work. If you are all in a different country also, it will work, because you will be working as a remote only, right? You don't have to come to office, because I know that the people who are attending this session have attended from different location. It will be difficult for you to come to Hyderabad here. So I don't think it will be there. We'll have virtual meetings, okay, here and there, and you guys can continue with that. Yes. The real-time projects we'll try to replicate some real-time projects. We'll get some works. Okay, I'll show you how this kind of things can be get done. We'll discuss. Okay, I'll be there. The program will be very intensive. For the people who really need. It is actually guidance only, but if you really need, I'll according to the interest of the people, we'll do in a better way also. Okay. There is no particular number of hours. There's no particular number of hours. Just 1 hour max on a particular day. Number of hours will be only one. It's like, I'll be your client. Let's say I am your client. I'm giving you some work. I'll connect at some point of time in the evening hours. Let's say the next day task I'll give you. Next day till the evening I connect. You have to complete your work. Okay, like that. It's not it's not very strict and serious. It's two-way process, guys. For the people who are very serious, they can take my work as assignments and all. They can complete the assignments by the time I join back. Okay. Second advantage is that you'll also get your gaps filled up. Okay. And for this, you just have to pay 5,000 extra apart from my training amount. You just have to pay 5,000. Okay. So in association with these guys, we are doing RedDuck Technologies. We are doing. If you are interested, we just want to know how many people are really interested. If you are interested, you join. If you are an existing member or existing student or new student, doesn't matter. You come to that. Apart from that, all the training also will be covered, guys. Training sessions are already going on top of that, right? Apart from giving these training sessions, every day in the evening hours on weekends, we have the sessions, right? Weekday and weekend sessions. Weekday and weekend sessions, we have the training. Weekday and weekend sessions, we have the training. So what will be the topics of the trainings? You already know. I generally cover Selenium Java, then Core Java, right? Core Java also for Selenium automation, then manual testing, and then non-tech to tech topics will be covered to you. Okay, non-tech to tech series topics will be covered to you. Then other automation tools, different types of automations, API testing and automation, Okay, these are the training topics that will happen on weekdays, weekends, and during this freelancing things also some topics will come. Okay, these are the areas that we'll cover. Okay, then we are going to have a mobile automation like APM and all those stuff, mobile automation. Okay, security testing also will do, security testing and etc. Okay, we'll try to do whatever that is possible. So we'll motivate you. Okay, during this internship program, we'll motivate you how to be successful in your career and what are the things that you have to do. Okay, a lot of guidance sessions will be there. Most of the trainings will be done on the weekday and weekend, but ultimately the guidance sessions will be there. The task giving sessions also along with that will be there. Okay, so will you provide PF and Form 16 salary slips? Since you are not paying any salary, I don't think you have to worry about the salary slips. This is just an internship program. Okay, this is just an internship program. I don't think you'll get a salary slip here. Okay, so but because we are doing the things ethically. Okay, this is just an internship program that you are doing to fill up your gaps. So you can reach out to Javid for more questions, right? For more questions like related to this internship program, you guys have to reach out to Javid. I already gave the details of the Javid here. You can take it from here. Okay, these are the details of the Javid. You just contact Javid once and get the details. Okay, regarding the pay slips, PFs, Form 16s. Okay, you can reach out to Javid. Okay, what he can do, how much, to what extent we can provide. Okay, we can do that. Yes, there is one more batch starting. There's a new batch starting, guys. There's a new batch starting. New batch starting at 3 p.m. IST. 3 p.m. IST. Weekdays. If anyone is interested, you can subscribe. You can go to Javid. Okay. You can join only the training program. Okay. Just training programs also you can join. Along with the training, if you want to also want the internship program, that experience, and if you want to get that experience, you can pay that extra 5,000 for 3 months. This is only for 3 months, guys. After 3 months, it will be get expired. Okay. Again, you have to renew yourself. If you want extra 3 months, again you have to renew. Okay. And then 3 p.m. IST. It's on weekdays, guys. Going ahead, it's on the weekdays. Okay. So for the people who are going to job, this may not be possible. The new batch will not be possible for the people. No, in morning hours, we are not taking any batches. Only in the evening hours, one batch is going on. Apart from that evening batch, we are starting a new batch at 3 p.m. IST in the afternoon. Okay. All your doubts regarding the PF space slips form 16s, you can confirm with Javid. Okay. So, so this is the thing, guys. This is the thing that I want to cover today. Okay. Mainly about the freelancing. Okay. The problem, the freelancing related thing that I wanted to cover. I want to emphasize on the freelancing part. If anyone have any questions regarding freelancing, you can ask me, guys. Yes, they are eligible common. If they don't have testing knowledge, we are here to give them. Okay. We are going to give them the testing knowledge. Don't worry about that. Okay. We are going to train them. Okay. No one will give you this kind of internships and all for this, along with trainings and internship, no one will give you, right, in the market. And that too, our trainings are very, very worthful trainings. On the top of that, just not for the sake of training, we are not giving trainings. We have trained a lot of people. Yeah, duration of training will be initially 50 working days will be there. 50 days, 50 working days, I can say. I'll not talk in the number of months and all. It's 50 working days. After the 50 working days, for the people who want to learn more, we'll continue also. Okay. The basic general things that people need is only 50 working days, but we'll continue even after 50 days and explain, make you guys go to the next levels also. Okay. But 50 days program will be more than enough. But after that, if you still want to learn some new technologies, new areas and all, then so it starts whenever you want. Okay. When the internship program starts, when you register for the internship, it will start. Okay. Simple. The internship starts when you register here. You just have to do one thing. You already are ready. We guys are ready. This is an announcement that we are starting the internship program. If you guys are now ready, go and talk to Javid. Go and talk to Javid. This is the number of the Javid. Okay. You can put a WhatsApp message, call. Okay. And let me know if required. If required, you can let me know, like, now if you don't have any, okay, like communication from Javid, let me know. Okay. So sorry, I just mentioned freelancing. Okay. Sorry, this is internship, guys. I mentioned as freelancing. Sorry from my side. Internship, this is just a word. Sorry for that mistake. It's internship. Internship. Okay, sorry. Okay. This is an internship program, guys. We are not saying freelancing. Freelancing means where we give you projects and you are going to do the work, right? But here it's not like that. This is the program. Internship program is for the people who join with us. Okay. They are somehow idle now because they lost their job, or there may be some situations where you are a fresher, you didn't get any job. And meanwhile, you want your that gap should be filled up. We will take care of the gap. We'll take care of your gap. Along with that, we'll give you trainings on the software testing trainings and remaining stuff. Okay. Some technologies, trainings, and everything we are going to give you. Yes, it is required to pay. Apart from the training if you are new, if you are not part of my existing students, you have to pay 5,000 for training and 5,000 per every 3 months. You have to 5,000 rupees per every 3 months. You have to pay for that internship program. Okay, this for training, and along with the training, as an add-on, you can, if you want to only join for training, just pay to rupees 5,000 and get our training. There is a 50 days training program where I'll teach you Selenium, Java, Core Java, and manual testing. And apart from that, extra things also I'll teach you. I don't say here, but these 3 items only will take 50 days, 50 working days. After that, whatever that is left out also will be covered in the extra days. Okay. Other than 50 days, I'll cover. It's your patience level. How many days you want training? I am ready to give you guys. Our intention is to serve you guys. Okay. So it's not just about money, but this one we are associating with other company, right? So you have to pay for that company. Okay. So this company will take care of your, all those stuff. Okay. Internship related stuff. It will give you the offer letter. You'll be joining as an intern. You'll be working with us. Okay. We'll giving you some tasks. You will be doing that. By doing the tasks, you will be learning something. If we want to join for internship only, I don't think it's possible here. Only training plus internship. Even if you want to separately join for internship, they are going to charge you 10,000 per month. Okay. These for my students have taken this. Okay. I already talked to them. I just negotiated with them. They were saying 10,000, but I said that for my students, make it 5,000. So if you register, otherwise you have to pay 10,000 to them directly. Okay. And you will not get any use of training will be gone for you. Okay. So it's better you join via me so that, okay, join via me guys, so that you'll also get training in the part of internship. Internship is actually 10,000, but I negotiated with them and that made it 5,000 rupees for 3 months. Okay. It is 10,000 per 3 months, but I made it I said, I'll bring a lot of people to you and you just give that. Okay. In association, we'll make the things. I'll give the training and you provide the internship and all. Okay. So in interview guidance, everything will be provided, guys, during the internship program. Everything will be given to you. It all depends on what kind of people you are and what type of enthusiasm you show in terms of work. Okay. For training, it's only 5,000 rupees. For training, it's only 5,000 rupees. For training, it's only 5,000 rupees, where everything will be covered to you on an ongoing basis. For first 50 days, this will be there. So if you want to join training, reach out to Javid. Whether you want to join as an intern, again, reach out to Javid. If you are a new student, for training, you have to pay 5,000. For internship, you have to pay 5,000. After paying for training, you have to pay for internship. Okay, total 10,000. If you only want internship also, again, these people are providing for 10,000 outside. So you see, I'm already saving you 5,000. I'm giving you the training for free here. Simple words. Okay. Yes, yes. Everything will be there in the internship. In the internship, my guidance will be there. Trainings will be there along with the, after training is done, after training program is done, right? You will be part of the work where you have to work on different stuff. Okay. So a lot of tasks I will give you. Based on the task, you have to do your day-to-day work. And every day evening, we are going to have a meeting. So like, treat me like a client where I'm going to give you the work and you guys are going to do in the offline. Okay. From remote place, you are completing the work. Fine. That is the thing. So this is what is the internship program all about. For working people, there is no new batch yet, but you can join the current batch that's about to complete. Okay, you can join our training sessions anytime, and all our future and current batches are free for you. Okay, all my past recordings are batch 1, batch 2, upcoming batch 3 recordings, everything will be free for you. Okay, so everything will be provided for you. Just have to join at any point of time. Don't wait for a particular batch to start. Okay, anyhow, we are starting a new batch at 3 p.m. IST on weekdays from Monday to Friday. You can be part of this if you want to be part of the training. And along with that, if you want to take the internship, you can take that. Along with that, if you want to attend my current batches, future batches, it's only one time register, guys. It's only one time register. You don't have to, what I say, register for every batch. It's like once you pay 5,000 rupees, you are eligible as a student for every batch. Okay. All my upcoming batches are free for you. It's just a one-time registration. Okay. To be, we are filtering out the students here. We are filtering out the students here. So serious people we are filtering out. So the people who pay 5,000 and join the batch, right? Batch 3 starts on, it's going to start maybe in 2 or 3 days we'll announce. Okay. Mostly it will start. Once we collect few people, right, then it will start no matter what. Okay. Existing students can join for free because already they have paid 5,000 rupees. Existing students can also join the batch 3 at 3 p.m. IST. No problem, guys. Okay. You don't have to pay anything. The future batches and everything is free for the existing people also. And we assure that will make your journey very good. And at the same time, you are filling up your gaps in the internship program. This is an add-on thing. Like when you order a pizza, right? When you order a pizza, on the top of the pizza, you have some extensions, right? Add-ons, right? You want some ginger, you want some, all the other stuff, okay? Olive, olive kind of stuff, and, onion or corn, whatever the extra cheese you want, okay? That is an add-on, right? Like that, in our training program, this internship is an additional stuff. Okay. If you want to only join internship, they are charging you 10,000 directly. Okay. But if you want to join both training and internship, that's also same 10,000. So what's the use of joining it up joining with the internship only? Okay. So every day at what time we have the sessions? If you talk about the batch one, so currently we have this three batches going on, guys. Okay, already batch one is going on. Batch one is almost done. So here we have the batch one or weekends. On weekends, continuously from 5:30 p.m. IST. On weekends, we have the batch one. We are in the framework part. We are in the frameworks part, and we are headed towards manual testing and all. Okay. On Saturday and Sunday for batch one, 5:30 p.m. IST. Here we are in the framework part. If someone want to directly join into the frameworks, they can join here. How to create the frameworks and all. The R&D of the frameworks, everything is going on here. And coming to the batch two. Batch two is currently, we are done with the core Java and Selenium basics completed. We are headed to advanced portions of core Java, advanced portions Selenium basics, and these are completed. We are headed to advanced concepts of core Java and Selenium. We are going to go with. Okay. This is at 8 p.m. IST. If someone can join in between like this, you can join. Then batch three. And this batch two is on weekdays. Weekdays at 8 p.m. IST. These weekdays at 8 p.m. IST. And coming to the batch 3, which is a new batch that is going to start now, it's at 3 p.m. IST. This for the people who don't go to office, who are idle, and it's perfectly good for them because apart from the training, they'll also get the internship. Okay, you have to subscribe for us for training by paying 5K, and for every 3 months you have to pay 5K for the internship. If you want to register as an internship, and if you want to count you from the day one, okay, if you want to us to count from the day one, okay, then also subscribe for the internship, which is very cheap, guys. No one in the industry will provide this kind of internship. I requested them and got it for you, so it's up to you how you want to take the decision for. Okay, forward. Yes, guidance will be given to you, Manju. Guidance will be given to you. Every day meetup will be there and we'll have a discussion on that. Okay, every day at a particular point of time we'll meet in the evening hours, maybe around 5:30 p.m. like that, before our day ends. 9 to 6:30, right? Generally it's flexible. I'm not going to calculate whether people are giving the attendance and all. That's not going to be there. It's up to you. But at 5:30, something around 5:30, we'll meet and we'll have a guidance thing. We'll discuss on the work. What is the work done? How did you feel? Okay, what are the problems you faced? We'll have everyone talking. Okay, describing their work. What happens in real time? We'll have a discussion on that. Okay, such kind of stuff will be there in the internship program. Apart from we filling up your gaps and all, ethical way of learning will be there. Simple words: internship plus ethical way of working. Okay, that will give you the experience also for working with us. Okay, as an internship, we'll ask you to write some articles. Okay, I'll make you think like an experienced person. Okay, by the end of the internship programs, okay, you'll become an experienced person altogether. Yeah, if you have joined, if you're already part of the batch 2 or batch 1 or whatever it is, right, you are eligible for free for batch 3. You already know that anyone who is from batch 1 batch 2, they can attend the batch 3 for free. You don't have to pay an extra amount. But if you want internship going ahead, if you're ideal, okay, if you're not working anywhere, and if you want to join my internship program, if you're not working any company, then pay 5,000 per 3 months, okay, for a period of 3 months, and join my internship. Yes, you have to pay 5,000 to join the internship extra. If you're already part of the batch, existing batch, you have to pay extra 5,000. For that, you don't have to pay for the training because you already have paid. Okay. So this internship is being provided by this company, RedDuck Technologies Private Limited. So you are paying for them. Okay. So I'm on the top of that. I'm going to give you the guidance, trainings, and all those stuff, and task and all. We are going to work on different stuff. We are going to discuss on different stuff. Okay. You will get a good mindset on software testing for sure on that. Okay. So anyone have any questions yet? Anyone have any questions? Timing will be 9 to 6:30. It's flexible hours. It's flexible. It's no, you don't have to be joining at 9, leaving at 6:30, it will not be there. Okay, we are not going to calculate because it's all remote, right? At some point of time we'll meet. It's not compulsory for you to meet also. First of all, we are solving a purpose of filling up your gaps. On the top of that, if you need our guidance and want to do something over a period of time instead of being idle, you can be there. Okay. So in internship, what you will be doing is, apart from the trainings I'm going to give you, you are going to practice our training work. At same time, once you are trained, right, you are going to work on some projects. You are going to work on some projects that I'm going to give you. Okay. As part of learning, you are going to work on some projects. So you may have to write some test cases, test plans, test scenarios, exit criteria, and all those stuff. Okay, some realistic stuff. You'll try to do that. Yes, ongoing batch 2 students can join, but you have to pay that extra 5,000 for 3 months to register yourself as an intern with us. Okay. Otherwise, you will be just a student. There are two items. Two people will be there with us. One is a student who is only ongoing with the trainings. Other person will be the intern. Okay. Other person will be the intern. For working professional, I don't recommend because there is no need of joining us as an intern with us. Okay. You can be part of our trainings. You can be part of our trainings. You can be part of our trainings. Okay. Is that fine? Freelancing, maybe in future we can provide, but at this moment we don't have. We have different contacts coming up. We'll try to figure out something. For freelancing work also we make it. Once the internship is done, we'll try to showcase you for some companies. Okay, we'll try to showcase you for some companies. At same time, we'll try to bring you some freelancing projects where you can work also. But that is the next level. Okay, at this moment we just want to start with the internship program. So the people who stick with us and all right, based on their seriousness and on the first priority basis, we may provide you the freelancing work also. Okay, that also is a possible option, viable option. Yes, yes. I am going to provide the recordings over the Google Drive. Okay, I'm going to provide the recordings over the Google Drive. I'll just give a glimpse of how it looks like. Just go here, guys. Just go here. Let me show you. Just give me a second. So how you will get the recordings? I'll give you the access to a particular folder. Okay, where you will not only get the recordings for the current training, but also you'll get the recordings for the previous batches also. Okay, the recordings are not only available for the current batch that you are attending. The batch 3 people can get the recordings of the previous batches also. The many things that we'll share, no one will share this much of amount of training for 5,000 rupees in the market. Okay, so yeah, here is the stuff. Okay, so all the things that you see here, like all these videos are batch 1 videos outside. After that, we created batch 2 folder here. This separate batch 2 folder. Remaining all are batch 1. Remaining all are batch 1. Able to hear me, guys? Able to hear me? Guys, able to hear me? Guys, are you able to hear me? Yes, great. So this is batch 2. This is batch 2, where we'll provide all the recordings. We'll provide all the recordings of batch 1, batch 2, batch 3 also. Some other folder will be created. You will have access to all the batches videos. Okay, that's the plan. Clear? We'll give the access to this particular folder where you can watch. It is a lifetime access. You don't have to worry anything about it. The current batch recordings, future batch recordings, everything will be given for you in this particular folder, guys. You can take it from there. Okay. So don't worry about the recordings and the lifespan of the recordings. Everything will be there for you. And on the top of that, you are going to get an internship kind of stuff. Okay. If you want only trainings, join us as a student only. And if you want student plus internship, you have the facility where you don't have to pay 10,000 outside for this, guys. Rather, because of you being a student, you just pay only 5,000 where you get both training and internship. Okay. Yes, if you are ideal. If you are ideal means Sonali, if you are not working anywhere, you can do that. Okay. If you want to do the internship, you should not be working anywhere. That's the only rule. Okay. If you are working in a company, the internship is not for you. Only training is for you. If you are not working anywhere and if you want to fill up your gaps and all, then internship is for you. Okay. Where already you are getting some real time exposure, why you want to join an internship here? Okay. Something like that. Is that clear? Sonali, is that clear for you? Any questions?
Hello.
Yes. Hello.
Yes, sir. This is Saurabh. Sir, I have around 1 year, 10 months of experience and as a
Hmm.
quality in manual testing. Okay, I
Okay.
have done
Great.
testing. Okay, and currently I am looking. I have knowledge about the basic core Java and
Okay.
knowledge about the main Selenium main program.
Concepts.
Okay,
Okay. Fine.
but
Fine. Okay.
I am stuck. I am stuck in the framework designing and.
Okay.
Yes,
Hmm.
and I'm looking TestNG framework and BDD Cucumber like framework total
Okay.
end-to-end. Okay,
Okay.
so
In that
that's why
case,
I'm not sure
for Saurabh,
what
like
about.
you are actually looking for training, right? In that case, you are actually looking for training, right?
Yes,
So in that,
end-to-end.
I
I
recommend you
want
to
to.
join the batch two right away. You can join the batch two where framework concepts are going on. Okay.
Okay, any core Java related record
Yeah,
previous
recordings will be there. Recordings
which
will be there at same time.
will I get?
Yeah, at same time after batch two, again one more batch will start. That also you can be part of. Okay. At this moment, some framework concepts are going on. Okay. Some core Java additional stuff like arrays, string handling, file handling, exception handling, collections framework. Those topics are left out here.
Yes,
And in Selenium, advanced topics are also left out, like Selenium advanced topics like handling tables, handling alerts. All that basic things are completed here. But we are now in the advanced portion of core Java and Selenium. After that, frameworks will start. That's the plan. Okay. Framework
framework.
concepts.
Okay,
After
framework.
framework concepts, actual frameworks will start. That BT, test ng, BDD, everything framework will start, followed by
And
CA.
how many projects you covered exactly, sir?
In which one?
In which for example for testing framework, how many
Hmm.
test cases were executed? Because what happened is that I executed in I started, but only
Hmm.
I can base class extend class. Okay, by
Hmm.
using inheritance concept I attend means executed only 2 to 3 test
Okay.
cases. Okay, but
We are
after
going
that
to
I
have
stopped.
very big picture here.
So
We
I
are going
did
to have a
at
big
least
picture
50
here.
to.
Yes. After 50 days of trainings are completed here, we are going to start that where we are going to automate 500 test cases, end-to-end automate test case of an entire application. We are going to automate. That is the future goal we have. Okay. So after this batch two training is completed, right? For batch one and batch two, we are going to start automating a live automation. Even batch three people also can join. Meanwhile, no problem. Okay. For the people who are into batch three also, they can join. I'll announce on that particular day that okay, now we are ready to start the end-to-end automation of an entire application. So there are like around 500 plus test cases are there that we are going to automate. Each and every test case we are going to automate. Apart from the test cases, we are going to automate the live challenges of different websites. Any problems you get, we are going to solve that. Like that, many things we do as an R&D part. It's not just training; it's a online ongoing support. Also, we are going to give for free. We are not charging anything for that. But if you want to be an intern, if you're not working anywhere, you have to pay for that. It's 5,000 per 3 months. But apart from that, if you register with us as a student, right, it's a lifetime kind of thing for you, where the things will be ongoing. A lot of things will come up, and everything you don't have to pay any money. Only one-time registration is required. That is initial 5,000 rupees to segregate the serious people from the non-serious people. And after that, whatever you want, it will happen in the trainings. Okay. You can be part of any batch. You can be, it's very flexible, guys. Okay. There is no attendance, nothing. Just you can be part of any batch. You can jump between one batch to another batch. If any other new batch start, you can even start there. You can ask your doubts every day at the end of the sessions. Everything will be there. My continuous guidance will be provided to you, that no one no else trainer can do this kind of stuff, guys. Okay. By making you very confident and teaching you some stuff that no one else can teach you. Okay. This is something that you have to. Yes, Manju, what's your question?
If let's say if I complete like a 3 or 6 month internship, will
Yes.
they provide the job verification? Like
Yes,
write
yes,
the
definitely. Your background verification will be definitely there. Without that, what is the use of we doing that, right?
yeah, and
Background.
how many years of experience we can write in our resume?
The number of months you have done an internship with that, that only you can write. For example, you have done internship with us, then in that case 3 months of experience only you will get from us.
Okay.
That's what we are doing.
But,
We are doing the ethical way rather than, a lot of institutes, what they are doing, they're okay, we'll give you the experience and all. Okay. You simply have to pay this amount and you will get the experience, right? This is not what we are. What we are trying to do is we are trying to build an ethical company where you'll be working with us. You will be gaining the experience for a period of time. You are working with us, and along with that, you will learn a lot of stuff and you'll do some work also if required. Okay.
so let's say, like if I'm starting career in automation and then I do not have any experience, and then if there are job openings for like 5 years experience or 6-7 years experience, how do I apply those jobs?
You cannot apply
Without job verification.
First thing is that we are not in the direction, first of all. Okay. So our direction is that if your current time you are idle, you want to fill up that as you are working in a company, and at the same time you want to do some real work. Okay. In that case only internship will be useful for you, and we are not going to fill up your previous or earlier gaps. We are not going to do that. The period of time you are with us means you are working in a company as an intern with us. Okay. That experience will give you the period of time you are working with us as an intern in our company. That amount of period of time will give you the experience. Simple.
I got it. Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes. Interviews, according to your request, right? I can take a mock interviews also for you to see where exactly you are and what kind of knowledge you have. I can take the mock interviews. Yes, that can be done. That can be done, HP. Anyone have any other questions? Guys, anyone have any other questions regarding this training and internship program? So here is the thing. So let me, 1 minute. Okay. You are not stuck. Anyone have any questions?
In batch two, what is the current topic is ongoing, sir? You mentioned their core Java and Selenium basic concept are completed.
They are completed. They are completed. Currently, we are in the core Java. Some next level topics like, currently yesterday we completed arrays. So we are going to start with string handling, wrapper classes, file handling, and then this one, file handling, then exception handling, collections framework. These are the left out topics in core Java. After that is done, we'll go to the advanced basic commands of Selenium WebDriver are completed in 1 or 2 sessions. So now we are going to go for advanced topics of Selenium automation, like handling tables, handling this one, that is alerts, handling mouse and keyboard events, handling how to run the JavaScript code from Selenium, like that. All the advanced topics we are going to start after this core Java topics are completed. Then we'll go for the framework concepts. Followed by the framework concepts, we'll go with the frameworks. We'll try to build framework from the scratch. All the popular frameworks in the market will build from scratch, and after that we'll do CI/CD, GitHub, Jenkins kind of stuff. Real time feel kind of sessions will be there. Few sessions. After that, we'll go with the end-to-end automation of a project. That's the plan. Even manual test.
Sir, you mentioned in the topics, mobile automation is also there.
Yeah, mobile automation will not be the part of the main one, but it will be there in the ongoing process. After 50 days, it will be there. Okay. After this batch 2, the compulsory topics will be there, right? 50 days topics for Java, Selenium, manual. Okay. After these are completed, then all these advanced parts will start. Okay. Everything will be there. We are not restricting ourselves to this particular topic or this particular topic. We'll be covering everything for you for a period of time.
Daily 1 hour session is there, no?
For now, batch 2 is like daily 1 hour session at 8 p.m. IST every day. Okay. Excluding weekends. Saturday, Sunday we have for batch 1. Okay, at 5:30 p.m. onwards to the 8:30 or something they have. So 5:30 to 8:30 for batch 1 it is there, where frameworks are going on. If you want to join all these 3 batches together, you can also join also. There is no restriction, guys. You can only pay 5,000 and you can be part of batch 1, you can be part of batch 2, you can be parallelly part of batch 3, where everything is being started new. In batch 2, we are in middle. In batch 1, we are almost at the end. So you can be part of any batch. You can be part of all batches also. There is no restriction in that. Once you join with us, you're part of all batches.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Clear.
Yeah. Any other questions, anyone? Anyone have any other questions? Anyone have any questions regarding this? Monica, today we don't have any session. Tomorrow we'll continue, okay? Because this webinar may take some time. We don't know, okay? So I cannot take any session today. So we'll continue with tomorrow, okay? We'll continue the session from tomorrow. Fine. I just wanted to announce about the internship program for the people who are already taking the training with us. On the top of that, the people who are new to this training, right, they can join only training program or training plus internship program, or only any of them, okay, up to your needs. Focus, what will be the focus area for internship will be, apart from you will be attending these trainings, you are eligible for attending these trainings, and on the top of that, every day at some point of time, I'll be connecting you guys to you guys as a client, and you guys are going to work under me if you want to. Okay, it's very flexible, very cool client, you can say. Very cool client I am. I'm going to give you some work. If you do, I will be very happy. If you don't do, I'm not worried about that. If you have any problems, I'm going to help you out. Such kind of things. Who is eligible for internship? Everyone is eligible for internship except for the people who are going to office. Okay, the people who are going to office, there is no use of they joining as interns with us. Okay, the people who are idle, who lost their job, or who are freshers but are not getting jobs because of the current market situations, they are trying but they are not getting. They want to, yes, after you do the internship, we'll work on the placements part, or at least we'll work on the freelancing projects, etc. Okay, we have different plans. After the internship is over or during the internship process, we'll try to, we'll for the people who do serious internship with us, right, who complete the internships in a serious way, right, we'll try to partner with okay, we'll try to outsource you to some companies. Okay, that's what is the plan. Yes, career gap, no problem. But currently, if you don't want to have the gap, earlier gap, we cannot do anything. The current gap, we'll try to fill up. Okay, the current gap only we'll try to fill up. And if you want to fill up your previous gap, I am not into that. Okay, you can reach out to Javid and find out how it is possible. I'm not having any idea on that. Okay, Javid is the one who is going to help you out of earlier career gaps. But as a internship that I'm going to run now as part of these sessions and all, right? Okay, for that, how many months you are with us as part of training, and how many months you have subscribed to us as part of this internship program, that many number of months of experience we are going to give to you. Okay. Yes, batch 2 people can join, batch 1 people can join, batch 3 people also can join. Every batch people can join. Okay. If you already have paid for the training amount, you don't have to pay for the training amount anymore. The extra 5,000 per 3 months you have to pay as an intern and to become an intern. To upgrade yourself from student to intern, you have to pay extra 5,000 rupees. If you are not a student yet, you have to pay 5,000. You have to become a student and then pay 5,000 to become an intern with us. Okay. Yes, everything will be there. Manual automation, not only manual automation, we want you to become a all-rounder. Okay. When you are with internship program with us, right, your gap will be served. Your gap will be served. At the same time, you will become an all-rounder by the end of the intern. For every 3 months, you will become a different person. Okay. That I can promise. For every 3 months, you will become a different person. That's the plan. Clear, Kuna? So I'm just reading out the questions from the chat. A lot of people are having a lot of questions. So I'm just answering like that. Don't think that I'm answering on the screen. Okay. Yes, you can add. We are going to give you experience, guys. Okay. We are going to give you experience, Sonali. So you can join it. If you are joining as an intern, means you are joining as an employee intern with us, so that you will receive an offer letter. You will receive the work. Daily meetings will be there. Okay. You will get a feel of how to work in a project. We'll make the things more realistic for you. Okay, we'll make the things more realistic for you. That's the plan we have. We'll train you first. You see, the moment you join as an intern, we cannot directly put in you on the projects, right? First we have to train you. Once your training is completed, now now what will happen? You'll become an during the internship also you are an intern. During the training also you're an intern who is going through the training. Okay. Then at same time, once the training is completed, if you're good, then we'll start with the projects. Okay. We'll give you some different projects where you can work and get the things done. Is that fine? It depends. Domains we have not figured out, but we'll give you something that is useful for you. Okay. Don't worry about the stuff. For every 3 months, the things will change. Initially, the things will be very easy. 3 months, it will be very easy. Next 3 months, we'll take up to the next level. We'll give you the work related to next level. Then next 3 months, we'll give you the work to the next level. Like that, we'll try to make you all-rounder by if you are staying with us for 12 months, right? Then you will see the complete picture of how the internship will happen. Okay. And that too, you are flexible. You can drop off anytime. Okay. You just be there for 3 months. Next 3 months, you don't want, you just drop off. Okay. If you stay with us for a long period of time, then it will add up to you. Okay. So if you are ideal, if you didn't get any job, okay, you want to fill up your gap, current gap, not previous gaps. Okay. As an intern, if you want to work with us, we'll ask you to write some articles. We'll review the articles. Okay. A lot of things are there. We'll show you how to use some AI tools and get the things done in the real time. Okay. So everything will be there. So things will be very sophisticated and things will be in a proper way. And this is the plan. Yeah. Any other questions? Anyone? Anyone have any questions? If you don't have any questions, just type no in the chat box, guys, if you have any questions. Yes, trainings will be same, but on the top of the trainings, you will have our actual sessions also. Okay. For interns, there will be separate things. For interns, there will be separate meetings will be there. For interns, there will be separate meetings apart from the trainings that we are providing. You can attend any of our trainings. Along with that, apart from the trainings, you see, anyhow, this 3 p.m. training is always will be there. If it starts 3 p.m. training, will be already there as part of your internship. And along with that, we'll give you some additional time where we discuss a lot. Okay. Your future is there. Until and unless software is there, testing will be there. There's no problem with the feature of software testing. There's no problem. So there's no problem with software testing anymore. Okay. Development is there. Testing will be there compulsory because, ultimately the companies who are hiring only developers thinking that developers will do the development and testing is not a good idea. They'll face the problems later. Okay. That's the reason testing will be there. You see, you draw a painting and you yourself feel that that painting is very good. Okay. Now, if you show that painting to me, I'll say I'll find all the defects to you. But you as a painter, okay, who has drawn that particular painting, will not feel that there are some problems in the painting, right? An external person has to confirm that. So for that reason, testing to be independent is a good thing. If some companies are doing that, it's not all companies are doing that. Some companies are trying to make developers also as testing. The focus will not be there, because of which they lose the bugs. The testing mindset will not be there. So testing profile should be a separate thing. So if development is there, testing also will be there. And in the coming days, a lot of softwares are going to come, a lot of complex softwares are going to come because of the AI and ML and all those stuff. So more requirement is there for the software testers in the coming days. Okay. So no need to worry about the testing profile. The future is very intact. And there are many, if you're only learning only manual testing and trying to apply for the jobs, you'll not get any jobs outside, guys. You have to learn other stuff that we are going to make you good with, okay, in the coming days. Is that clear, HP? Is that clear? About the feature of software testing is clear for you? Okay. Then anyone else have any other questions? Guys, anyone have any questions? You can reach out to Javid here. You can reach out to Javid. If you are interested, you can reach out to Javid. This is the number of the Javid. Okay. This is the Telegram ID of the Javid. Okay. You can reach out to him and get additional details from him and get yourself registered for training. And how to find bug by doing automation testing. You are not writing the scripts to find the bugs. That's not the reason why automation scripts will be written. Okay. To find the side effects, to perform the regression testing, we do the automation testing. If there is a case where already the application functionality is working fine, but you are busy with working in some new functionalities, but there may be some problems due to which because of some changes in the code, application code, the earlier working functionalities may get broken down. So to find such kind of previous working functionalities not getting working fine, now we have to run the automation scripts. And when the automation scripts fails, we have to report the defects. Simple. Okay. For a period of time, the application will become very complex that we cannot test everything in a single day. So whatever the things that you have to repeatedly test, right? Whatever the things that you have to repeatedly test every day, that you have to automate it. Okay. That's the purpose of the automation testing HP. Any other questions? Anyone? Any other questions? Yeah, how career gap people can get job as per current market, because you see a lot of people are now not having any job in their hands and they have to be idle for a long period of time. Okay. So if you have a lot of career gap, right, they will definitely ask you like what you have done in this period of time. That's the reason we have come up with this internship program. At least you can say that after my graduation or after me got removed from the company because of the market not well. Okay. Instead of being idle, I have joined this QAFox training. Okay, the company which was giving training like QAFox will give you the certificates and all that you are getting. You got trained on all this stuff. At same time, I've done the internship with them. So I have you see, you can at least tell to the interviewer that you are not idle during the period of time. You have done some work in the form of internship and all. Okay, from a renowned company like QAFox, and it's okay, in association with this one, you can say, okay, RedDuck Technologies, you can say that, no problem. Okay, that's what we are trying to solve here. Okay, the people who have gaps, right, instead of being idle, try to be an intern at least, so that it be useful for you. Okay, try to become an intern so that it will be useful for you. Yeah, once you can the registrations are open for the internship. Registrations are open. We'll announce. We'll take 1 or 2 or 3 days of time. Okay, and we'll start the internship program. Okay, within 3 days the internship program will start and you can join meanwhile. Okay, by next week we'll start the next week. We are ready, actually we are ready. If we get a good number, we'll start this week itself. We'll not wait for the next week also. If we are ready, you can join as an intern immediately. You just have to reach out to Javid here, either via the Telegram ID or via the WhatsApp message and call. You reach out to Javid and register yourself as an intern. That will be enough. Fine. We already have some training batches going on. Batch 1, batch 2 is already going on. Batch 3 is going to start at 3 p.m. IST. If you want to join as a trainer, just as a student, I don't want to join as an intern, then only you just pay 5,000 rupees and join as a student here. Okay, you don't have to join as an intern there. If you want internship also at the same time, join as an intern. Okay, that's the plan. We are ready for you. You are late, actually. Okay, we are already ready, guys, to start these programs and all. We are just waiting for you guys, no matter what. From the day you join your internship program, you will be given offer letters and everything will start. Okay, from that day onwards. Okay, if you want to waste some more time, you can waste and join, no problem. But if you join today, from today or tomorrow, your intern thing will start. Okay, along with the training, you will have the internship program in batch. Okay, in the things. So, and also I want everyone like who is new to Selenium Java and manual testing, or who are not confident in Selenium Java manual testing, right? Try to join the batch 3 if you're not an office going person at 3 p.m. IST. Okay, 3 p.m. is afternoon in Indian time, right? So I'll be there and I'll be giving you the trainings. Okay, at 3 p.m. So new batch is going to start, batch 3. So you can register yourself. Once you are part of the batch 3, you are part of the batch 2, batch 1 also, and you will get all the recordings of batch 1, batch 2, batch 3 also at the same time. Okay, everything will be there in your hands. Very simple. And along with that, you'll get my guidance. Okay, and further guidance you will get, and all those stuff. So this is what from my side, guys. I'm done from my side. Okay, I'm just giving you the last call, this last 2 minutes. If anyone have anything to ask, you can ask me right now. I'm going to stop this meeting in just 5 minutes, next 5 minutes. Okay, next 5 minutes, I'm going to stop the meeting. If you have any questions, you can ask me right now. Anyone have any questions, you can ask me right now. If you are already satisfied, you got the answer for whatever you have joined for. And if you are interested in training program or internship program, training plus internship program, any of these combinations, you can reach out to Javid and get yourself enrolled as a student or intern. Okay. Yes, you can add this as an experience. Yes, you can add this internship as an experience on your resume. Okay. That's we are trying to solve, right? In internship, whatever the internship program you are with us, okay, you're going to add that particular period as an experience. We are going to give you the offer letters, give you the experience letters whenever you want. Okay, whenever you want to move to another company, we are going to give that. Yes. Yes, Pooja. What is your question? You have any questions, Pooja? Excuse me. Okay, anyone have any questions? Yeah, welcome, Shimna. No problem. Anyone have any questions regarding the training or internship things? No, API testing is not done for batch one. It's going to be done on the weekends going ahead. Okay. For batch one on the weekends, it will be there for, I'll announce that soon. Okay. Yes, for old batch people who are already part of the trainings, for internship, they have to pay 5,000 rupees per 3 months, every 3 months. Okay. If you are not an ongoing office person, then you can join this internship program. Apart from attending the trainings, you can join this internship program where you will get internship kind of, you will be doing internship with us. Okay, you'll be in connect with me and you'll be doing the intern where we will give you a special focus. Okay, as for interns, we'll give you a special focus on top of the trainings. We'll give you the special focus. But for interns, you have to pay extra 5,000 rupees per 3 months. It started. If you want to join today, you can join AB. It will be started. Day one onwards, it will be started. Okay, we are ready with our things. Okay, just register with us. Go to Javid and get yourself enrolled. You will become an intern with us. You will be upgraded to, from student to intern. You will be upgraded to. Okay, that's the plan. If you want to upgrade yourself, if you're already an existing student, you can upgrade to the intern. Okay, if you're not a student, at least you join as an intern. You join as a student or you join as an intern also. Student plus intern also you can join. Okay, directly as an intern by paying 10,000 you can join. Okay, when training as a student you will be there, as an intern also you will be there. Both will be there for you. For interns, we will give you a special focus where a lot of tasks will be given, a lot of ongoing meetings will be there. Okay, on a daily basis, and we'll get the things done. That's a plan for internship, and you can renew your internship for every 3 months. You have to renew your internship if you are interested. And that period of time when you are registered with us as an intern, we'll give you the experience, okay, of working with us. That's a plan. Okay, I think we are done for today. So final call. Last 2 minutes are there. Anyone have any other questions you can ask, or you can ask to Javid later. Okay. Once this session is done, you can go and ask with Javid and get your doubts cleared and get yourself registered also here. Okay. As a student for batch 3 or as a student and intern also. You can register. It's an add-on thing. Internship is an add-on thing, as I am again saying. Okay. It's up to you. Whoever really needs to join as an intern, you can join, or you can simply join our training programs for batch 3, which is going to start. Along with the batch 3, you can also attend batch 1, batch 2 in middle also you can join. No problems at all. Depending your needs and expectations, you can join any batch. So for now, these are the details you have to be focusing on, and try yourself to register with Javid. Okay, with the help of Javid. Javid will help you in the next process. Fine. Bye everyone. See you. See you. And the upcoming webinars, etc. Okay, bye everyone. See you. Thanks for attending, guys. Thanks for attending. See you then. Bye. Yeah, welcome guys. See you. Bye.